I found 10 high probable trade opportunities for the upcoming week. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another WMA video, weekly market analysis. As of every weekend on Sundays, I analyze the whole market for you, including Forex pairs, oil, metals and cryptos, and after 6 days on the next Saturday, together we check the results. So without wasting any time, let's go on the chart and see those opportunities. Let's go. Moving on eurusd, we had this static area plus this dynamic trend line. And plus we had quite good reactions to this static area and these two highs. All I'm saying is that it's gonna come down because the whole trend looks like a bearish trend, but if it wants to come down and you want to enter short trades, wait for this trend line to be broken, then a pullback, a probable pullback, and then enter short trades. Because it might go up, break this static area and make a pullback and then touch this downtrend line. So wait for some more confirmations, don't predict, and trade safe. The next pair this week is gbpusd, which looks quite the same as eurusd. We have the same static area plus this trend line. And the same as eurusd, we have these two tops, two highs that reacted to this static area. This looks bearish too, but if it wants to come down again, it's gonna have to break this trend line, make a pullback, and then come down. If it didn't, wait for some more confirmation. It may break this static area, make a pullback, and go up. Again, don't predict, don't jump in, and wait for some more confirmations. Moving on usdcad, we had this trend line with quite nice reactions, and plus this static area, which might be a double bottom and go up. If it wants to go up, wait for some higher lows in order to confirm the uptrend. And if it didn't, and if it broke the trend line, wait for some lower highs or pullbacks to this trend line, and then start looking for short trades. Moving on eurojpy's 1 hour chart, we have this large trend line plus this actually quadro top. We have 4 tops here, and it's a really important static area. You have to wait to see if the static area was broken, a pullback was made. You can start looking for long trades, but if the trend line was broken, wait for a pullback and start looking for short trades. Alrighty guys, moving on gbpaud daily chart, we had this trend line, this nice trend line, which was broken. Let's go on 4 hour. We can see that the trend line was broken, a pullback was made, and we have made this triple bottom here, which tells us that it will either be broken or go up. But because we had this orange large trend line and a pullback was made to that, I think it's gonna come down. For more confirmation, wait for this area to be broken, and then a probable pullback, and then start looking for short trades. Another pound this week is gbpnzd. We have this triple bottom plus this trend line. If this was really a triple bottom and it was gonna react as a reversal, wait for this trend line to be broken, then a pullback, and then enter long trades. But if it wasn't and the static area was broken, wait for some more confirmations and then start looking for short trades. Alright guys, so here we are on oil's 1 hour chart. We can see this static area here plus this dynamic trend line. And all I'm saying is that we have to wait to see if oil breaks this static area, makes a pullback, it's gonna go up. You can start looking for long trades. But if it made a double top here, this high plus this high, and broke the trend line, made a pullback, you can start looking for short trades. Moving on silver, looks quite the same as gold. We had this trend line here which was broken, a nice pullback was made, and plus we had this static area that we had quite good reactions here. And All I'm saying is that it's gonna come down, at least touch this dynamic area, touch this dynamic trend line, as you see here. And one more thing is that it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, it looks quite bearish to me. Moving on gold, we had this move that went all the way up and touched this static area. And there was a trend line on this move that which was broken. A pullback was made. It looks quite bearish, but wait for this static area to be broken and then start looking for short trades. Alrighty, moving on Bitcoin's 4-hour chart, we have these two static areas plus this trend line. This move looks like a pullback to this static area plus this trend line, but if it broke the trend line, wait for a pullback and then enter short trades. But it seems like it's gonna go break this static area, make a pullback, and then go touch this other huge static area again. As we saw on the chart, we got 10 high probable trade opportunities for the upcoming week, and just be careful on them. Take care of your capital management, take care of your risk management, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and like and comment, and hope you have a nice week, guys. Bye bye.